सो इस बार के गेस्ट हैं E.T. इमरजेंसी ट्रिगर। ये एक पूरा बैंड है एंड दिस बैंड इज फ्रॉम द अंडरग्राउंड म्यूजिक सीन। व्हाट आर द ऑब्स्टेकल्स दैट कम योर वे व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू शो योर आर्ट टू द वर्ल्ड? तो व्हाट वुड यू से कि म्यूजिक में मेन स्ट्रीम और अदरवाइज पैसा है कि नहीं है? यंग एंड अपकमिंग म्यूजिशियन जो प्रॉब्ली तुम लोग को सुनता है, जो मेन स्ट्रीम को सुनता है एंड उसको अगर म्यूजिक करना है एज अ करियर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वुड बी योर एडवाइस?
मत सुनो हम लोग।
सो मेन स्ट्रीम जो म्यूजिक होता है उसके आर्टिस्ट्स होते हैं, उनके बारे में हम सबको पता है, बहुत सारे पॉडकास्ट हुए, बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज हुए हैं, बट दे आर मेन स्ट्रीम, तो उनका म्यूजिक बहुत लोग सुनते हैं। अभी ये जो बैंड्स होते हैं, जो रॉक बैंड्स होते हैं, मेटल बैंड्स होते हैं, उनका म्यूजिक थोड़ा डिफरेंट होता है, उनके जो लिसनर्स होते हैं बहुत नीश होते हैं। तो ऐसे बैंड की जर्नी क्या होती है और इन जनरल ऐसे अंडरग्राउंड म्यूजिक सीन का प्रेजेंटली क्या सिचुएशन है इंडिया में, ये हम जानेंगे इस पॉडकास्ट में। एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस पॉडकास्ट एंड वॉच इट टिल द वेरी एंड। डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब। वेलकम ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट एंड इमरजेंसी ट्रिगर। सबसे पहले तो मेरे को आई वांट टू नो कि ये नाम का किसने सोचा, नाम के बारे में किसने सोचा?
एक तरीका, हाँ, वोटिंग किया, लाइक एवरी वन ऑफ अस, लाइक पहले 5 थे तो लाइक वी डिड दैट, एंड फिर बाद में आकाश वगैरह मालूम है,
हाँ हाँ
वो भी था, एंड देन अनुज मार्डिक,
हाँ हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ,
तो सब लोग थे, हाँ, तो सब लोग ने नाम ये किया, डिसाइड किया कि कौन सा नाम रखना है। सब लोग ने 2-2 नाम दिए थे, आई रिमेम्बर करेक्टली, तो 2-2 नाम लिखे, तो मैंने कुछ तो भलता एक दे दिया, तो और इमरजेंसी ट्रिगर दिया था, और मुझे वो दोनों देके मुझे इमरजेंसी ट्रिगर पे मैंने 2 डाल दिए थे। बट लाइक मुझे
ये बात तुम लोग आज पता चली क्या?
नहीं याद नहीं है शायद, बहुत साल पहले हो गया।
हाँ, मेरे को मतलब ऐसा, हाँ,
बहुत
तो
साल
फिर
पहले 2011 का
हाँ,
लेवल, हाँ, तो
हाँ।
फिर वैसे किया, सब लोग को भी पसंद आ गया था, तो
हाँ,
लाइक
हाँ।
दैट गॉट लाइक
हाँ।
मोर टिक्स,
ओके
तो वैसे नाम, और फिर बाद में
And-
नीचे जाके हम लोग चाइनीज खाए,
ओके टू सेलिब्रेट।
यस,
एंड व्हाट डज इट स्टैंड फॉर, एज इन क्यों रखा इमरजेंसी ट्रिगर, एज इन?
रैंडम एकदम,
अच्छा,
कुछ
okay.
कुछ ऐसा, तभी तो
नो, इट गोज विथ योर बैंड का म्यूजिक, इट गोज विथ इट, मतलब अच्छा लगता है वो नाम। सो दैट इज व्हाई आई थॉट कि अरे उसका कुछ स्टोरी रहेगा उसके
मुझे तो
पीछे।
लगता है लोकल में घूमते टाइम वो इमरजेंसी दिखता था,
हम्म।
तो शायद वो एक घुस गया रहेगा पहले दिमाग में, एंड देन ट्रिगर का मालूम नहीं, इट वाजंट लाइक कि नाम ऐसा रखना है, बट लाइक मुझे तभी ऐसा क्लिक हुआ कि लाइक इमरजेंसी ट्रिगर, इट वाज दैट रैंडम।
सो यू गाइस आर अ पार्ट ऑफ व्हाट वी कैन कॉल अंडरग्राउंड म्यूजिक सीन, राइट? तो मतलब मेन स्ट्रीम नहीं है ये
यस,
अपना जो म्यूजिक है।
यस,
तो व्हाट इज दैट सीन लाइक? बिकॉज मेन स्ट्रीम तो सब लोग को पता है।
अंडरग्राउंड सीन बेसिकली वो सीन है जो ज्यादा टीवी पे नहीं दिखता है, वैसे सब सीन है, मतलब ओनली अ फ्यू कलेक्टेड पीपल नो ऑफ दैट सीन, वैसा है। We try to promote, but then it's also the type of music which people don't grasp very fast. तो उसको टाइम लगता है, इसके लिए इट्स एन अंडरग्राउंड सीन, मतलब पीपल लोग का वैसा कनेक्शन भी रहना चाहिए म्यूजिक को। मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे लिसन टू म्यूजिक फॉर जस्ट अ फील गुड या फिर डांस, वैसा सब। मेटल इज
समथिंग यू चूज,
हाँ,
समथिंग यू चूज टू लिसन,
और मे बी मेटल
कोई सुना रहा नहीं है तेरे को, there are 2
chooses.
type of listening lately, you will find, मुझे ऐसा लगता है।
हाँ,
ओके
So like underground is more of a something you choose to do, you want to do it, and you want to tell others how we do it, like, and there is no right way to do underground music,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
तरीका नहीं है ये,
हाँ
ये तरीका बन रहा है, हम लोग
हाँ।
बनाया नहीं है, हम लोग बस हमारे वेज जो हम लोग सालों से सीख रहे हैं, इन्फ्लुएंसेस, लाइफ, everything we trying to put it in there, and like that's how underground forms, and then there is become mainstream, that is the way, ऐसा लगता है। तो अंडरग्राउंड बहुत ज़रूरी है, आई थिंक, जस्ट टू फाइंड दैट रॉनेस, बिकॉज बाकी सब चीज़ तो काफ़ी मेन स्ट्रीम है ना, कि मेन स्ट्रीम
Commercialize हो गया।
कमर्शलाइज है, सो लाइक कमर्शलाइज चीज़ क्यों है, क्योंकि वो लिसनर फ्रेंडली है काफ़ी, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कमर्शलाइज, पर लाइक अभी ग्राउल्स में बोलूँ तो 40 लोग नहीं सुनेंगे, so like you need that kind of influence previously जो तो सुनते आ रहा है।
मतलब कैसा है कि अंडरग्राउंड सीन ये जो है थ्रू आउट इंडिया, सो यू हैव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ इट सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम नाउ।
यस,
व्हाट डू यू फील, कहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा है, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ?
कहाँ से शुरू हुआ, जैसे मुझे याद आ रहा है कि मेरे लिए कहाँ से चालू हुआ, तो अंबरनाथ से ही चालू हुआ था। सो आई केम टू नो दिस बैंड्स जिनका नाम इन्फर्नल रैथ है,
हम्म।
कॉस्मिक इन्फ्यूजन है, एंड देन बाहर से भी बहुत सारे बैंड से सिग्निमा था। तो जब भी हम लोग चालू किए, वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग जैम्स एंड स्टफ्स, तो दिस गाय यूज्ड टू प्ले इन अ बैंड कॉल्ड कोल्ड टर्की।
हम्म।
आप तुम दोनों का था ना बैंड? हाँ, तो जिमी इसका भाई है, तो लाइक ही यूज्ड टू कम अलोंग जैम। तो बाद में विनोद आया, और विनोद मेरा कॉलेज का दोस्त था। सो लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड कि वो आया, उसने बताया कि अरे एक टॉट, यू रिमेम्बर टॉट राइट?
हम्म।
तो टॉट की वजह से ही मेट दिस गाइस। तो
नहीं, मैं एंड विनोद यूज्ड टू जैम।
हाँ, तो टॉट के साथ ना, हाँ, तो फिर टॉट
नहीं, वेट
इसको इसको
हाँ,
ये
एनालॉजी तो ना थोड़ा
इसने
उल्टा
स्टार्ट
हुआ।
किया बेसिकली।
तो basically me and Vinod used to jam together.
Okay.
I used to play for another band, alternative band from Kalyan only, with Anand, Akash and Vicky. फिर उसके बाद विनोद भी ऐसे ही used to join us and try to bring his compositions and तो फिर उसके बाद मैं और विनोद को बोला कि अरे अपन करते खुद का कुछ तो ऐसा. Then Vinod bought him as a vocalist and we started singing or whatever. मतलब ऐसा heavy कुछ नहीं
नहीं सोचा
करते
था।
थे हम. हाँ.
कभी तो ग्राउल भी
Like
नहीं
ऐसे
आता, कुछ भी नहीं आता।
कैजुअल लाइक ऑल्टरनेटिव स्टफ ओनली. फिर उसके बाद अनूप को पूछा गिटार्स के लिए, फिर बाद में जतिन को पूछा गिटार्स के लिए, बेस के लिए सॉरी. तो फिर वो लोग दे वर रेडी टू प्ले. तो फिर देन एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वी वर अ 5 piece बैंड बट वी वर स्टिल नॉट मेटल. हम लोग मेटल डिसाइड ही नहीं किए थे क्या करने हैं करके.
ये क्या साल था?
2010 का एंड आई थिंक 11 का स्टार्ट.
10-11
तो वो टाइम पे लाइक वी वर स्टिल डिसाइडिंग ऑन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक वी हैव टू प्ले, और शायद नाम भी डिसाइड नहीं हुआ था. तो हम लोग ऐसा शायद थोड़ा वी वर काइंड ऑफ प्लेइंग कमर्शियल टाइप टफ वैसा, मतलब थोड़ा लाइक इजी टू लिसन टू
Okay.
ऐसा, नॉट एग्जैक्टली. फिर बाद में जतिन पॉइंटेड आउट कि अरे हम लोग बैठते डिसाइड करते कि हम लोग को क्या टाइप का म्यूजिक बनाना है वैसा, मतलब लाइक बेसिक फंडामेंटल क्या रहना चाहिए and all that.
So and where ये तो तुम लोग के फॉर्मेशन का बात हुआ राइट, बट वेयर इज द मतलब ये गिग्स कहाँ होते हैं, ये सीन कहाँ पे सबसे स्ट्रांग है? लाइक आई हैव हर्ड कि अभी इंडिया में नॉर्थ ईस्ट में देयर इज अ ह्यूज मेटल सीन. तो इज नॉर्थ ईस्ट द ओनली प्लेस, या फिर यहाँ पे भी सेंट्रल इंडिया या वेस्टर्न इंडिया में या इवन दिल्ली में, व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन दीज प्लेसेस?
सीन तो पहला मेरा तो ऑलरेडी एक बैंड था, मेटल बैंड, बिफोर इमरजेंसी ट्रिगर, एलिवेशन डायनामिक्स करके. सो आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग द सीन सिंस 2007 के टाइम. कॉलेज जस्ट 12th पास आउट के बाद आई स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू गिग्स. आई गॉट टू नो व्हाट द सीन इज. ऐसा गिग्स कॉलेज में भी होता था, प्लस एक छोटा शोरूम, मतलब म्यूजिक शोरूम में भी होता था गिग्स, वैसा सब मालूम पड़ा. एंड वी स्टार्टेड अप्लाइंग, वी started competing in college fest. College fest was the biggest opening point for any band that time. तो same when I joined emergency trigger, तो बाद में तभी I already knew कि where to apply to, where to come out. So we started applying in college competitions, and then वहाँ से we started finding out gigs. Gigs तो ऐसा easily नहीं मिला जो लोग ऑर्गेनाइज करके बुलाते हैं, वैसा वाला गिग्स बहुत टाइम बाद मिला. फर्स्ट वी हैड टू गो थ्रू कॉम्पिटिशंस वैसे. एंड देन मे बी आई डोंट नो आफ्टर 4-5 years आई थिंक, और 3-4 years जैम रूम गिग्स शायद, दैट वाज द फर्स्ट गिग जो समवन इनवाइटेड अस टू प्ले वैसा. एंड दैट वाज अ जैम रूम गिग. वो एकदम छोटा गिग था, बट देन फ्रॉम देयर थोड़ा थोड़ा लोग को मालूम पड़
इतने
गया.
स्पेस में 50 लोग थे, एक ही एसी था, और लोगों को सांस नहीं आ रही थी, लोगों के दांत टूटे थे, फूटे थे लोग, छोटा सा, पर लाइक मच पावर,
You were there?
मोर ऑनेस्ट.
जैम में गया क्या?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं किया.
नहीं नहीं वो नहीं.
अभी
आकाश
तक तो आकाश मस्ट हैव बीन देयर. या
हाँ शन.
Yeah, that's what ना. So मतलब कैसा है कि even in such a small space, you know, when such events happen, the kind of energy जो वहाँ पे रहता है, जैसे if you go to any mainstream artists concert, so to speak, वहाँ पे सब लोग ऐसे आराम से बैठे रहेंगे, सुनेंगे, you know, they'll eat, but that's not the case with metal gigs.
उनको बैठना ही नहीं है ना ब्रो.
हाँ, वही तो.
हमें बस चलते रहना है इधर उधर.
हाँ.
But like that is the way, like that is, I think the culture helps you out how you want to enjoy your music. They sit back, रिलैक्स हर एक जॉनर है, लाइक जॉनर स्पेसिफिक तरीके हैं म्यूजिक को एंजॉय करने के.
क्योंकि डोंट यू थिंक लाइक फिर इसका थोड़ा सा यू नो मे बी पीपल डोंट नो अबाउट इट. इफ पीपल न्यू अबाउट इट तो परहैप्स और ज़्यादा लोग एंजॉय करेंगे और ज़्यादा लोग ऐसे ऐसे गिग्स पे आएंगे. मे बी they'll start loving this kind of music.
But it should also be listener friendly.
लिसनर फ्रेंडली का बात नहीं, लाइक इट्स मोर अबाउट कि लाइक चॉइस ऑफ, जैसे मुझे ये कपड़े पसंद है तो मैं ये वेयर करता हूँ. इट्स जस्ट इट्स वेरी पर्सनल थिंग.
हाँ
इट्स वेरी पर्सनल. आई कैन नॉट टेल यू कि तू मत सुन बॉलीवुड.
हाँ
आई लिसन बॉलीवुड, आई लिसन एवरी जॉनर, बट मैं किसी को बताऊंगा नहीं कि तू मत सुन.
हाँ.
तुझको तुझे पसंद है तो अच्छा है. लाइक आई लाइक दैट, लाइक यू लाइक समथिंग,
हम्म.
that is something what I choose for myself. So like regardless कि metal है, लोगों को मालूम है एक्चुअली, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं मालूम. लाइक मेन स्ट्रीम है, फिर रॉक ऑन आया, उसके बाद में हम लोग को पता चला कि ये गाने भी नहीं रहते, ये वक्त का इशारा, ये चिल्लाना विल्लाना भी बोलते हैं गाने भी नहीं. दिस इज अ वे ऑफ लाइक इसको भी गा सकते हैं, इसको भी फिर बाद में पता चला कि लाइक बैंड फॉर्म करना है. और तभी उसके पहले मालूम नहीं था कि जितने भी पुराने बैंड्स रहेंगे, लिंकिन पार्क था मालूम था, बट लाइक जब हैम्बर्ग कप हुआ, जब ही रॉक ऑन आया, तो रॉक ऑन के बाद वी फेल लाइक कि लाइक आई फेल्ट लाइक कि लाइक
ठीक है ये
एक वो बीज जिसको बोलते हैं सीड. इट इज समथिंग, सम इन्फ्लुएंसेस आर देयर. जैसे
mainstream music है ना, what I think is mainstream music is made. So I work for commercial music as a मेरा occupation. ठीक है, so we make music for the people and we try to offer what people want, right? And this underground scene is exactly opposite of that. This is a collectively group of extremely passionate people who just want to compose and listen to other people who are extremely passionate about the scene. Unlike mainstream में लोग जो सुनते हैं, जो जाते हैं gigs को, it's a form of entertainment. So when it comes to entertainment, you always have a choice. You can either watch a movie, you can go to sleep, you can do whatever, right? But when it comes to this is not for, we're not doing this for entertainment. It's not, we're not getting anything out of this, right? In terms of, say, we're not, it's been more than over a decade, right? We're not making any money out of this. In fact, we're spending our money to play gigs, to compose music, to do jams and whatever. And that goes for pretty much all the bands in the country, for most bands. So why are we doing this then? The only reason why people are doing this is because they are extremely passionate about that art and that scene. Not just our music. Everyone who is doing similar kind of music in this scene, we want to promote them, we want to promote ourselves. We want people to listen to our stuff, mainly who would like this kind of music. We don't want anyone जो जबरदस्ती आके अरे सुनो मेटल भी है, तुम लोग आओ ध्यान दो, ऐसा भी सीन अंडरग्राउंड ये ऐसा, we no one cares much about that. आप सुन रहे हो then it's okay. But नहीं है तो our main target audience are the people who are like us, and we are the target audience for people who are making music like us. That's what separates us from the mainstream.
So yeah, but the thing is, wouldn't it help if we had a commercial angle to it? Like let's say for example, if we found a way to make money from it,
तो बढ़िया ही हो जाएगा.
तो वो बढ़िया हो जाएगा और बढ़ेगा. More people will get involved and we will have one more option other than mainstream. क्योंकि क्या है, mainstream गाने like you rightly said बहुत एक formula जैसे यूज करते हैं वो लोग. So in my mind, I don't really consider that as art. Art को कुछ formula नहीं होना चाहिए. It should flow from inside you organically. तो मुझे वही ऐसा लगता है कि so this is an amazing thing which is going on. People don't know about it. Obviously that is the whole point of doing this.
Yes.
तो क्या what are the obstacles that come your way when you are trying to show your art to the world?
One thing which I feel is the kind of music that we perform, it's a very extreme form of this side of music. Okay, so if someone who has no clue what metal is, if one fine day he were to listen to someone like, say, us, he would enjoy probably the aura that's happening in the gig, but he wouldn't understand what we are singing, what we are playing, because we are so conditioned and so attuned to the regular music which has typical chords, melody hai, the Bollywood, the whole structure. and this is so different from that. So it's slightly difficult for them to comprehend what's happening. I mean, they can't put this into a framework of music. They would probably enjoy. So what I feel is, in order to commercialize or to make it maybe normalize this kind of music for everyone, I think one, people need to have that kind of exposure. ठीक है. So even for me, that even I didn't, when I started playing guitar, I never started playing guitar thinking that I will someday play for a metal band. I wanted to play regular tunes, maybe Bollywood, little bit of maybe alternate or rock or whatever. And for me, from where I started till where I ended up, there was a gradual slope. First, I listened to, like he rightly pointed out, even I started out listening to bands like Green Day or say Linkin Park and these kind of things. And gradually I moved on to bands like say Metallica, things like जहाँ पे थोड़ा और heavy हो गया. They were still okay. There was some form of melody, System of a Down, these kind of things. Then something else came in, probably थोड़ा और rock where there is little bit of ये growl. Then I was comfortable with that. So people are not. Then eventually I ended up with metal. I was happy with listening to bands like Lamb of God or Gojira or whatever. So that was a journey that most of us go through. It's very hard that people are पहली बार सुन लिया and they liked it. The people do. It's not that people don't, but there is very handful. Most of them are like, अरे क्या बोला, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ तो चिल्ला रहा है, but ठीक है. Maybe they might probably be impressed with the riffs or maybe the fast drumming or whatever. So I think it's the exposure which is lacking in, if you want to normalize this kind of music. By exposure it means कि ये पहले तो जो normally सुनते हो इसके बाहर कुछ सुनो. And in any angle. Okay, any angle, not necessarily in metal. People are not even listening to classical music, which we have. So इतना अच्छा collection है for this country. People should listen to that. Very complex rhythms, extremely complicated melody structure. People are not listening to that anymore. Right? तो everyone is like, वो एक छोटा सा जो दे के रखा है लोगों ने, जो इंडस्ट्री ने बना के रखा है, उसी के अंदर खुश है. People don't want to explore anything more.
And so, but the thing is, like, when he said about exploring India, mein, like, there is even more way amazing bands than the mainstream. Mainstream se bhi, like, you have to go and look for it though.
Which are the amazing ones that you would recommend?
The ones that we competed in Goa, that band was from Bangalore. It was called as Tangents. So they're heavily inspired by a UK prog metal band called as Textures. No, sorry, Tesseract.
Yeah.
Texture. So their music is very kick-ass, and they're from Bangalore. बहुत से like, or there are probably more bands in Bangalore that I don't even know of. बहुत से like, we just have to go and look for it though. ऐसा like we cannot find it mainstream or anywhere here, or like किसने सुना दिया तो maybe अरे ये like मैं कभी जतिन के घर पे जाता था ना, तो he had a set of EPs which I never ever heard of कि like such bands exist here. पुणे में है ब्लैक होल थियरी करके. मैं बोला अरे क्या डेंजर बैंड था वो. और ये लोग लाइक आई मीन दे आर नॉट प्लेइंग नाउ, बट लाइक इट वाज सच एन अमेजिंग बैंड. तभी जाके मालूम पड़ा, ओ शिट, लाइक दीज आर आल्सो द काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक दैट आई कुड लिसन टू, बट लाइक नाउ इट्स नॉट देयर. लाइक तो बुरा भी लगता है, बट ऐसा लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी बैंड्स लाइक दैट.
Like musicians from the underground scene, like something which mainstream people are not doing. ठीक है, तुम लोग वो करते हो. So how do you guys perceive the mainstream people? Like you are working, you said कि हाँ, you do some stuff for the mainstream people, record and all that stuff. What according to you is their art form? Do you find that as art? Yeah, do you find that as just, you know, a scheme to make money? Yeah, what is your outlook?
As far as my perspective goes, because my occupation demands that, I can't bifurcate, I can't draw this line that this is mainstream, this is underground, this is indie, or this is commercial. It's hard for me to draw that line, because when I have to say write riffs for the band, or I have to say write a jingle for a commercial, I can't take that narrowed approach. There are formulas, yes, because eventually there are clients, there are other people who needs to say yes, who needs to be who will approve the project, right? So yes, there are certain things that you need to do, But again, while composing, which I feel is what makes me or a lot of other fellow musicians or colleagues from the industry do is take ये lines को हटा दो पहले तो,
Okay.
and you think you as a personality, suppose given a situation, I'm taking two extremes. I'm writing riff for the band for Emergency Trigger and say writing a jingle, right? So अगर मैं वो एक फ्रेमवर्क बिठा के रखूँ, मैं अभी मेटल के जैसे ही सोचूंगा या फिर मैं कैट कमर्शियल के जैसे ही सोचूंगा, तो I will probably end up doing what other people have done already. I've heard so many commercials so far, बहुत सारे मेटल गाने लिखा हूँ मैं, वही शायद रिफ लिखूंगा वैसी सिमिलर कुछ, which I don't want.
Okay.
So I want something new that my personality will offer to that project, be it Emergency Trigger, be it ad commercial. So if I want to think like that, I can't draw this line कि this is a metal band का riff. I should be able to think ये कुछ भी हो सकता है. मैंने कोई ट्रेन का आवाज सुन लिया that we have a song which is based on a train का जो sound है, हाँ वो groove पे we have written a riff. अगर ये how will this idea pop up in your head if you always think of a very strict framework? You have to think beyond what conventionally you've been taught, be it commercial, be it metal. So इसके लिए मैं if you ask me the question कि उनको कैसे देखते हो, it's very hard to define for me what are उनको, but I know I get your question. So when it comes to commercial, one thing is people do this for making money. ठीक है, so when you want to make money you have to deliver things that will offer you money, irrespective whether it's good, bad. This is something that will give you money. You have to offer the exact service. If you don't do that, you won't get paid, right? So when it comes to Emergency Trigger, we are not expecting money, so we have all the freedom that we want. We can write whatever we want, be it lyrics, be it drums, be it guitars. We have all the freedom.
That's
we don't
what
care.
separates commercial from.
That's what separates, right? Yeah. We have
Freedom
all the
of
freedom.
expression, jo, like we have the power to do whatever, make whatever we want. We don't have to deliver anything to the client. Or we have
For
to.
the sake of delivering it.
Right.
We have to be ourselves, make the best music as possible for ourselves. We are happy with whatever we are making. There we have to make someone else happy.
Which to defend the commercial जब हम काम करते हैं, to defend them, it's not that कि they don't want that. The only problem is if they do what they like doing, it might probably not give them money, and they are in for the money. So they will have to strictly do what the situation or the project demands. उनको personal इसमें डाल तो उन लोग भी शायद ये सब करेंगे जो हम लोग करते हैं. Because we have this option and we have this pathway where we can express ourselves through this kind of music, we have that choice. और उनको अपन ऐसा देखते हैं कि now because you're playing only Bollywood gigs, why do you think तुम लोग यही क्यों करते हो? Give them that chance. उनको चलो उनको बोल दो कि your money is taken care of, do whatever you like. They'll probably do something amazing. It's because the money, there's the demand, and they choose this career. That's why they have to do it. So it's not their mistake, or I don't want to negative वो commercial लोगों को ऐसा नहीं करना है. Because they are again musicians. They have practiced equally as हम लोग जितना practice किया है.
They probably do that also. They probably
Do that
every
also, yeah.
mainstream artist, every commercial artist have a side project which they want to do
Yes.
from their mind. It might not be music. It might be something else also. Like just making an artwork or something like that.
कमर्शियल म्यूजिक करते हैं मनी के लिए करते हैं, मनी के लिए करते हैं तो वो जैसे भी निकलता है पीपल लाइक इट. तो अगर मनी के लिए नहीं करेंगे तो वो बेटर होगा,
More beautiful music would be coming in the.
है ना. तो ऐसा ऑलरेडी क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? लाइक यू गाइज आर नॉट डूइंग इट फॉर द मनी. सो वैसे कमर्शियल लोग भी उनके पास भी तो कुछ तो स्पेयर टाइम होगा. तो व्हाई आर दे नॉट मेकिंग दैट म्यूजिक ऑलरेडी?
It's not because कुछ कर रहे उसकी वजह से people liking it. It's the other way. Because people are liking it, people are doing it, people are mass producing it. And because it's a mass produced industry, that's why there is a formula.
Yes.
And because there is a formula, people are sticking to one specific framework. So it's a loop basically. Everything comes from the demand, not what is being supplied. Supplied is we always have an option whether what music to make, right? But if the demand stays the same, you have to eventually give that, because when the demand is fulfilled, that's when the money comes in. When the money comes in, the musicians get paid. So even if you give the choice, people do things differently. It's not that people are like extremely particular about that same thing, but there are people who are creatively within the framework also. They are just doing something which will separate. जैसे कि रहमान he did some brilliant things that no one used to do earlier.
Very experimental.
Yeah, very experimental. A lot of
A.R. Rahman.
composers. A.R. Rahman, yes, yeah.
Too many
Which
things.
not
Yes.
a lot of people used to do. That was a typical framework how a Bollywood song would sound like. But he changed that. So there are multiple people within the industry also who are doing that. It's not that everyone is like blindly following
Not
that.
genre specific.
No, it's not genre specific.
Yes.
But again, the problem is it's what the demand is the problem, not the supply. It's not the musicians are not the problem. And if everyone given a choice, all the musicians given a choice, you can do whatever you want. Then the songs that will come out will be, yes, no doubt, will be beautiful, but will be very haphazard in terms of if suppose
Probability.
किसी को कुछ सुनना है now, if suppose regular an average listener उसको अगर suppose you want to listen to romantic songs, you can just pop up a Spotify playlist. He will guaranteed there are like 100 Bollywood romantic
So
songs.
basically यूजर को ज्यादा मेहनत करना
ज़्यादा
पड़ेगा.
मेहनत हाँ करना, करेक्ट, वेरी राइटली सर. सो ही विल हैव टू पिक एंड चूज कौन सा आर्टिस्ट है,
हाँ, हाँ.
क्योंकि नथिंग इज वेरी डिफाइंड ना इंडी में जाए तो इट विल बी रोमांटिक बट इवेंचुअली कुछ वो कहीं डार्क हो जाएगा, अचानक से गर्लफ्रेंड मर गई ऐसा हो जाता है. तो सो यू कांट, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज द एक्सपीरियंस इज नॉट गारंटीड. You are always
okay.
evolving as a listener. So are you ready to go through that experience? Are you ready to evolve? No, people want to just safe खेलना है मुझे. Romantic सुना, romantic ही सुनाओ. मुझे बीच में कुछ dark मत कराओ. या फिर अगर मैं dark सुनना है तो dark ही सुनाओ. बीच में happy मत कराओ मुझे. So people are.
And like now right now I don't know what the scene is for upcoming musicians. Like you guys are musicians, तो एक मैं so I want to think from the perspective of young and upcoming musician जो probably तुम लोग को सुनता है, जो mainstream को सुनता है, and उसको अगर music करना है as a career, तो first of all what would be your advice?
मत सुनो हम लोग.
अरे यार why would you say that?
As a career.
हाँ.
नहीं सुनो.
हाँ.
ये कट हो सकता है ना.
अरे यार बिल्कुल.
नहीं कट मत कर.
सुनो नहीं सुनो, but like एक बार तो सुनो.
हाँ अरे डेफिनेटली सुनो.
Advice दे advice. All these young.
क्योंकि
children's-
the scene has changed ना.
हाँ.
पहले जैसे जब भी तुम लोग थे, जब when you entered, तभी कितने लोग ज्यादा सुनते थे वर्सेस अभी जो चेंजेस आ रहे हैं. तो what would you advise someone? क्योंकि क्या होता है like when now I'm asking this because when all these kids are young, ठीक है 16, 17, 18, तो ऐसे लगता है कि मैं सब छोड़ के ये करेगा and I'll survive. But is that the reality?
Unless you're sitting on a big pool of money.
अरे okay.
बहुत पैसा है तो कुछ भी कर सकता है bro.
वो तो obvious है, but like for an average person.
I think because we've been surviving doing full-time music, the only difference that we didn't have back then बोलने के मतलब just a decade ago versus now is now there is plenty of information available with respect to everything. First of all, if someone's young and who's aspiring to do music full-time, first of all, take advantage of all the information available. Try and understand what all things you can do within music. Because when you say music, it's a very broad term.
Right.
You could be live, you could be an instrumentalist, you could do sound, you could do, I don't know, production, you could be a musician, you could sing, whatever your skills, whatever your inclination is, depends on that. First of all, we need to understand what is it that you enjoy when you say you want to do music. Because see, he also do music full time. I do music full time. I do production. Studio में बैठ के मैं I make music on my computer. Okay. He does live sound, and he's also a live instrumental. He also plays bass live for multiple projects, right? So बोलने के लिए both of us are surviving on music full time. But what his life versus my life is completely different. So and both takes a different set of skills, different set of training, different set of experience, different set of contacts, and different set of interests. So first of all, now I might not be able to do what he does, he might not be able to do what I do, right? पर बोलने के लिए हम लोग दोनों म्यूजिक कर रहे हैं फुल टाइम. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, व्हाट यू लाइक, व्हाट यू एंजॉय. पहले तो वो फिगर आउट करना चाहिए. बिकॉज नो मैटर व्हाट यू डू, If you don't enjoy what you do, then you won't be able to survive.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't matter वो इंडस्ट्री इतना पैसा देता है, इसमें इतना सैलरी मिलता है, इतना किक्स मिलता है, doesn't matter. If you don't enjoy what you do, then nothing is going to pay you. Because it's again the music industry overall itself is a very, like I said earlier, for not just for the scene in general, all the musicians are very passionate for their art. ठीक है,
For
so
themselves.
for themselves
For
also,
themselves.
for expressing, because the instrument or the singing or the
How
writing,
joy
that's
it
that's
is.
all that form of expression is, right? So if you are expressing with all your heart, like if you are doing it, everyone else is also doing it. And if you are trying to compete or be a part of that industry, you have to be utna, you should be able to enjoy the art and you should be able to give 100% of yourself without thinking of about the money to a certain level. मतलब फॉर एवरी सिंगल थिंग इफ यू डू, अगर मैं ये करूँ, ये कोर्स करूँ, इसका मुझे कितना मिलेगा, दिस नॉट, यू कांट डू, मैं ये एमबीए करूँगा, यहाँ पहुँचूंगा, ये करूँगा, मैं सीए करूँगा, यू कांट वैसे नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी पैशन आर्ट,
Passion driven.
हाँ पैशन ड्रिवन इंडस्ट्री है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू बी पैशनेट, that's the first thing. Then after that, then there everything is there online. You have AI, you can ask everything which we didn't have. For us to just to discover this underground scene, we had to travel all the way from Ambana to several cities just to see how the gigs are happening, what are this
What are those
aura
bands?
कैसा है, लोग कैसे हैं, gigs
What
मिलते
they
भी
do,
है, how do they
yes.
talk, how do they interact, what is this culture. Just to understand this culture, it took us several years. Visit gigs, visit people, meet people, see, watch clinics, workshops. We've like watched hundreds of clinics, and now everything is available online, which again is probably a problem, because when you don't put in struggle, you also don't connect a lot. Because you travel to दो train change करके जाके दादर में जाके, when you see a visit a workshop and then you come back, that stays with you for a very long period.
Right.
Which
Right.
unlike when you visit a घर पे बैठ के AC में अगर एक YouTube पे एक workshop देखो, तो that doesn't connect. बीच में we are eating popcorn, कभी चले गए, call आ गए,
Pause कर दिया.
हाँ pause कर लिया.
It's very easy, na?
Yeah, so struggle also has that connection. You build that connection. But again, now because there are plenty of information available, they should make use of that information and then decide for themselves that what is it that they like. That is the first thing is I feel if you want to do music full time.
एंड ये जो अपकमिंग आर्टिस्ट हैं, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, अभी अगर मैं किसी मेन स्ट्रीम वाले को पूछूंगा तो वो बोलेगा, उसको पूछूंगा मैं कि अगर म्यूजिक में पैसा है नहीं है, his answer might differ, and I say that because that person is a mainstream musician, and because of the virtue of him being mainstream, him or her being mainstream, वो कुछ ना कुछ तो कमा रहा है, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है, हम लोग उसको देख रहे हैं टीवी पे, बट दैट इज फॉर मी, दैट इज नॉट द रियलिटी. वो जो बोलेगा उसके फेस वैल्यू पे मैं कैसे मान लूं? दैट इज व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू गाइज, बिकॉज उसमें मेरे को वो जेन्युइन इंफॉर्मेशन दिखता है. तो व्हाट वुड यू से कि म्यूजिक में मेन स्ट्रीम और अदरवाइज पैसा है कि नहीं है?
पैसा तो है.
मजबूत है.
Yes, पैसा है.
YouTube से तो कितने कमा रहे हो? Like there are several ways and there is no proper rule. कि एक तरीका है, बस लड़के आ जाते हैं, अनुजन आ गए, बस उसके पास तो 40 लोग भी नहीं थे, he just had his regular guitar and then he was storytelling, that's it, that was his game. वो चल गया वो तरीका. तो वो सबके साथ नहीं, like there has to some way which no one has ever done.
अच्छा.
और वो तेरे खुद के अंदर से ही आएगा, और वो मालूम नहीं कि नेक्स्ट बंदा, नेक्स्ट यार रहमान कहाँ पे कहीं पे भी बैठ सकता है. So like वो तरीका खुद ही ढूंढ के आएगा बंदा. तो वो तरीका मालूम नहीं है.
Okay.
वो ढूंढ रहे हैं खुद के अंदर ही सब लोग. Like we also finding our ways. We started finding our ways, then we formed ET. And then ET डेवलप होते गए, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. सो वी नेवर हैड, पहले तो गाना क्लीन क्लीन गाते थे हम लोग, अभी भी है, बट लाइक तभी जैसे हम लोग कंपोज करते थे, द थिंग्स वी यूज्ड टू कंपोज व्हिच वर लाइक वेरी जेनेरिक, आई वुड से, बट नाउ वी कैन वर्क आउट विद द मेलोडीज, विद द लिरिक्स, वेयर टू पुट द लिरिक्स, हाउ टू पुट डायलेक्ट, how to emphasize some words, how to make it more brutal, how to make it very subtle. It's very important, and it's all, it comes across, so like it's come around the experience, I would say. The experience, even though every gig gives us experience, and like it torches something. Yeah, we can do something like that. जो भी अपना बात हो रहा था, like if I remember correctly, कि यंग लुक, अभी के यंग लुक। अभी मैं जब यंग था तो मैं पोकेमॉन देखता था, मैं WWE देखता था,
हाँ
तो WWE जब देखता था तभी मेटल सुनता था ब्रो मैं,
हाँ
समझ रहा है? तो मुझे अभी मेटल क्यों करता हूँ, मुझे अगर तो कोई बोलेगा तो ये क्यों हो सकता है,
हाँ
it's anger issues. I think there might be, everyone does, but like I think that is the influence I had, my childhood, my the the series I used to see on Cartoon Network,
हाँ
this the channels I used to do on Ten Sport जब भी आता था, तो तभी वहाँ पे जब भी WWE चलता था तो जितने भी WWE रेसलर्स आते थे, they used all used to have metal Motorhead.
फॉर देयर एंट्रेंस।
हाँ, तो भाई ये चीज फीडेड है,
हाँ
it's something you got used to it and you didn't know that, and you needed this age in order to mature enough to understand हाँ भाई ये चीज था।
यंग तो हम लोग अभी भी है यार।
नहीं, but like the
हाँ,
parted with
yeah,
the
yeah,
15
yeah,
years 15
yeah.
20 years like which happened, हाँ
Right,
तो
right.
ये चीज मैं अगर बोलूँ तो like I can understand कि like जब बच्चा and the brain when develops वो 15 साल 12 साल 10 साल तक होता है, but तभी वो growth is like exponential। तो
सो ये मेंटल एंग्स और ये जो इमोशंस है, यू थिंक दैट प्लेज अ बिग रोल while selecting your music, या
Selecting your
जिसका चाइल्डहुड एकदम स्मूथ एंड हंकी डोरी
हाँ,
गया
मुझे
है,
तो
तो
लगता है
वो ज्यादा कमर्शियल सुनेगा।
It shows on the playing also.
It depends on person to person.
हाँ
हाँ,
it's not supposed to be that way, like if you want to go through that angle, maybe there might be an angle, you might find some people, but you will also find people those who are just chill and doing a rad shredding, life sorted away, Ferrari में shred go करना है। So, हाँ तो भाई ये
ऐसा
कोई
कुछ नहीं है।
हाँ, it's not like that, I guess, I feel।
Yeah, see, when you listen to metal in general, अगर when you read the lyrics, when you look at the way the
because the
music is
lyrics
being
are
made,
dark
very
a lot of
aggressive.
times.
Yeah, it's very on the face. When I initially when I started visiting gigs and started meeting people back then, I realized this is one of the most friendly culture that I've ever been a part of, which is
Definitely,
so
for sure.
contradictory to what
The-
people
भाईचारा
sing on
बोल
the
दो
stage.
भाई।
Exactly.
Contradictory to the lyrics that are
There's
There's
used.
a lot of brotherhood.
Brotherhood, yeah.
हाँ.
People are so good. People are never. People
Or-
expect like मिलेंगे तो पहले क्या है? This. People don't talk like that.
But the thing is, like, this brotherhood
Yes,
is
so sad.
the brotherhood is common everywhere at all the gigs though. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि
And this you don't see in a
बाकी हाँ,
regular singer's concert, a mainstream
हाँ,
person's concert.
they
That
just
you don't
shake
see
hands
there.
and go.
Correct.
There people don't know anybody. यहाँ पे मेटल गिग में क्या, अरे तू इस गिग में भी
40
मिला
लोग,
था,
40 लोग
ये
बन
वो
जाते हैं,
चल
हाँ।
जाते तो क्योंकि क्या है, इफ वी से कि अरे ये तो ऐसा टीनेज एंग्स के वजह से लोग ये सुनते हैं एंड ऑल, मुझे कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि ये ना ऐसे गिग्स अटेंड करके मन हल्का भी हो जाता है।
हाँ.
आई थिंक
I
दिस
think mainly उसी के लिए करते
तू मिस करता
है ना। अरे मैं तो बहुत मिस करता हूँ।
म्यूजिक उसके लिए मतलब
हाँ.
just to let all that
Let
go।
all
हाँ एग्जैक्टली।
इधर तो
इतना जो डिप्रेशन चल रहा है, you could
अरे that
just
angst is there. It is always going to be
ट्रैफिक
there.
के
It's
वजह से
always
ऐसा
going to be
रहता है
there.
भाई, ट्रैफिक ये ट्रेन में गया हैंड्स आ गया, हैंड्स का तो
मैं ट्रेन में क्यों जा रहा हूँ?
हाँ,
मैं मेरे पास अभी तक BMW क्यों नहीं है?
जाओ
So
स्टेज
probably at a metal gig, most of the people come with that feel, but
Yeah,
then
yeah.
there's a release there, then eventually you realize अरे सब लोग ये सुन रहे हैं, सब लोग everyone is going through that situation probably,
हाँ,
and then you become more friendly कि अरे
You could
we
connect with
share the same
Right,
thing,
right.
You could
That's the
connect
thing.
with people. You could connect with like-minded people, and the culture is so friendly, and like you're allowed to be like that.
हाँ वही ना, मतलब कैसा है कि जो नॉर्मल म्यूजिक है वो पीपल दे लिसन टू दैट फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट, फॉर व्हाटएवर,
वो एंटरटेनमेंट
वो एंटरटेनमेंट है।
सही बोला तू।
बट दिस इज समथिंग एल्स, राइट? कि यहाँ पे तुम जाते हो, यू कनेक्ट विद पीपल, यू फील अ लिटिल लाइट हार्टेड,
कम्युनिटी पैशन ड्रिवन है,
एक कम्युनिटी
Music ही
है।
नहीं है।
Right, right,
नहीं है
right.
passion driven.
Like
It's
if you
community is
see
passion driven.
the people also listening to metal music and also listening to mainstream music, मतलब Backstreet Boys for example, if you see ticket का price तो आसमान का हवा है bro, and there are बहुत lot of people bought tickets for that show.
अभी वो रिसेंटली कोल्ड प्ले क्या
हाँ हाँ
हाँ
Coldplay.
Yeah,
I mean
हम
like
दोनों गए थे.
हाँ
हाँ.
these guys went and like
Very sad.
people could go there also,
हाँ.
but like not all of them would be comfortable listening to such kind of music, like independent music or some, like it is very saturated, you know, like the wo mainstream is like so nice to listen to and it's very easy to understand. It's the music songwriting process, I mean the songwriting is also very easy to understand and like it is fun and अच्छा लगता है सुन के ये वो सब, but like to grasp the idea of independent concept and like the kind of music that an artist would want to express themselves freely, मेरे को खुद को like I'll have to be patient enough to listen to understand कि oh this is what you're doing with music, पहला ऐसा भी म्यूजिक लिख सकते हैं क्या कोई, like that, like for that like it takes a lot of time to go to that level to understand कि अरे there are so many beautiful artists in here also कि like I would rather, like there are people who swear by I'd rather go to an indie gig than go to a mainstream gig. Metallica जाने से अच्छा मैं Inner Sanctum को बैंगलोर में सुन लेगा, that they are all Downtrodden जाएगा मैं केरला सुनने, that is they are also like very amazing bands. I mean Metallica is in its place though, obviously they started all these things, they revolutionized everything in the music industry and all that, and people make fun of Lars also, who is like the worst drummer for Metallica, but like he started what he wanted to, like वहाँ से आया, like
Right.
that we cannot forget that, like that.
And like speaking of music as a career, just to put a number to it,
Career guidance वाला क्या?
career guidance अगर किसी को देना
Emergency trigger consultancy.
ETC.
अरे यार नहीं करियर गाइडेंस का नहीं, बट ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं, सो द थिंग इज विथ सो मैनी करियर्स कमिंग अप अभी, तो मैं ये क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि अगर किसी को प्रॉपर अवेयरनेस नहीं है, नॉलेज नहीं है, इट इज इजी टू डिसमिस म्यूजिक सेइंग इसमें तो पैसा नहीं है ना. हम लोग अपना करियर लाइफ में क्या करना है कैसे चूज करते हैं ओनली व्हेन वी हैव इंफॉर्मेशन. सो अभी जो नॉर्मल करियर्स है उसके बारे में बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन है, हाँ इतना पैसा मिलता है ये वो वगैरह. अगर किसी के घर में कोई बोल दे कि मेरे को म्यूजिक करने का है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उसका रिएक्शन आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू गाइस कि व्हेन यू गाइस यू नो डिक्लेयर्ड घर पे कि हाँ मैं ये करेगा तो कैसे था. The second thing is we need to put a number to it so that it is easier for people to imagine कि okay कैसा होगा लाइफ, कैसे होगा, क्या कितना पैसा मिलेगा basically. So first thing is what was reaction at your home, and the second thing is a musician, how much does a musician earn? कि let's say for example, and different with different skill sets, if you have an idea you tell me कि एक सिंगर कितना कमा सकता है, एक सेशंस म्यूजिशियन कितना कमा सकता है, गिटारिस्ट कितना कमा सकता है, दैट यू नो ऑफ.
गिटार्स का बता.
नहीं, he might be the right person to talk about it.
Actually इसके पास तो बहुत सारे
bunch of questions है
sessions
वहाँ पे.
करते हैं.
First I'll tell you my experience, ठीक है, when I declared what happened and how did I go about it, ठीक है. So when I graduated, उसके बाद I was working for a company called Bajao.com, ठीक है. That again I was very happy working there because that was a company used to sell musical instruments and audio equipment, right? So I was already around the musical instruments and musicians mainly. So I was happy there. I worked there for about a couple of years, and that's where I met a bunch of people. I had no clue. I never thought that I would do music full time back then. This was in 2014, okay, and I met a bunch of people there who were doing some gigs outside the office also, but some few ads and छोटा मोटा चीज़ इधर उधर. No one was killing it. Everyone was like वहाँ पे जॉब ही था मेन, but side by side कुछ चालू था उनका. Met a bunch of people there, That's when I realized कि okay अच्छा एक parallelly यहाँ पे ये भी एक industry चल रहा है, तो I was little interested and I started going out. I started visiting studios. I met bunch of people there and saw people recording live, doing production live, and I was very intrigued by this whole music production thing. Like you can compose and do, you can basically program any instrument on the planet on your computer, as long as you know the instrument and as long as you know the software. So I was very fascinated by this concept. So then I thought, I think I should give this a try. And but I was not sure. There again, the same question: how much money will I make, and what is this sustainable, or I don't know. So what I did was I saved some money. I saved enough money so that I can sustain for about a year if this doesn't work out. Okay, and then I quit my job. Then I started, and that's when I told my parents about this is what I'm planning. But I gave them this foolproof plan that I'll give this a try for about a year, and for that year I have enough money. And if this doesn't work out, I can always go back to job, right? And that was back then 2014, so I have like plenty of time. It's not that I'm getting old or whatever. So they were like, okay, and surprisingly, everyone was very happy. Happy as in very supportive, at least my father. In fact, he bought me the first client. Not a client, but he called some people around from his native, and he hooked me up with a contact in Andheri. There was a studio. I met him. We didn't work, but again, I was very happy that he took that effort for me, and so that's one thing which I feel. Then onwards, then I never had to work, and yeah, so जो भी है वो तो ठीक है. But yeah, so एक तो again people are very from the parent उसमें again I know it's out of concern, but they are very skeptical about this whole industry because they don't know what's going to happen. It's very because there's no, you don't know a lot of people, you don't know in person, you don't know a lot of musicians who are making a lot of money, or in general, right? कोई musician है बोलता है अच्छा तो इसके अलावा और क्या करते हो? The first question, that's what people ask. तो it's
sad reality.
Yeah, sad reality, yes. So yeah, so in my case that helped because my parents were very supportive. So that gave me a confidence कि कल जाके I don't have to prove कि मुझे का साल के एंड में पापा पूछने नहीं वाले कि कितना कमाया बताओ. But the end of the year he asked you, are you happy? You're doing it? You're doing good for yourself? I said yes. So continue. You can do whatever you want. So that's which I feel is not the case with a lot of people in this country. So वो अभी उसके लिए it's very important again. So now अभी इसके लिए again ये I'll have to answer the first question if I have to put a number to it. Then there'll people be little safe कि अच्छा इतना कमा सकते हैं क्या? But I think it would be very wrong to put a number. I can say you can make good enough. But अगर number दे दिया ना, then that will probably
expectation.
हाँ वो expectation आ जाएगा और फिर उसी को एक शायद उसी को कोई benchmark समझ लेगा. और maybe वहाँ तक पहुँचने के बाद he will probably think he killed it. But then there probably like 100 times more he can make if he didn't know that number. The number नहीं आना चाहिए when it comes to art, I feel. अभी ऐसी होगा ना, अभी कोई पेंटिंग कर रहा है, how can you say पेंटिंग कितने में जाएगा? There are a lot of painters जिसका पेंटिंग बिकता ही नहीं है, but there are a lot of painting जो crores में जाता है. So how can you put a number? It's a long bracket, right? And if you put a number, it's wrong. Then you are somewhere you're drawing the line. So then it's probably I'm thinking from my angle. This is what I can probably make.
Yeah.
But I can't put मेरा angle on blindly.
You can't.
सबका नहीं कर सकता. है ना? It's for him to decide whether he can pull this off till my level or beyond my level, or he can do whatever they want. One thing again, I would like to repeat what I said earlier. One thing is very important, that you have to be extremely passionate. Because if you're not good at your art, no, you won't survive. That is important.
So by passionate, you are saying you have to like work hard, practice.
Practice,
You have
yes.
to love
Practice,
it.
you have to
Go
practice
fucking obsessed with it. Like
obsessed. Yeah, you should be obsessed with whatever you're doing.
हो रहा नहीं है यार. ये कॉर्ड कौन सा है? जम रहा क्यों नहीं है?
हाँ, because
40 लोग से पूछ रहा है ये कॉर्ड नहीं आ रहा है. वो अंदर से आना चाहिए. हाँ
You
ये
sit, you figure it out. No matter how much time it takes, you figure it out. Be it anything, be it instrument, be it production. Because when I started this, because see, I am not doing guitar full time. Okay, I play guitar for Emergency Trigger, but my source of income is not guitar. I do music production. So, like I said earlier, I make music on my computer.
Okay.
So I had to learn software first, and I had to learn how all the instruments work. That's what a production do. So basically, I program strings, I program drums, I program brass, the entire orchestra, and from all the genres. I can't be specific about one genre. I'm not a metal guy or a rock guy or this. I have to program. Someday I'm doing classical, someday I'm doing Western orchestral, someday I'm doing jazz, someday I'm doing probably some rap thing, hip hop. I don't know. So I have to know about little or something about all the genres, all the instrument, all the concepts related to music that's out there. So I have to do, there's a lot of study involved and a lot of technical training involved, so that you have to go through, and you won't go through that unless you really like doing that. Always curious कि अरे ब्रास कैसा, फ्रेंच हॉर्न कैसा बजेगा, या फिर कैसा एक ट्रम्पेट बजेगा, या फिर कोई एक टैम्बरिन कैसा बजेगा, या फिर anything, any instrument for that matter. So you have to be passionate. So if you are that, then you can pull this off. If you're not, then I would say rather stick to the 9 to 5 job. That's what's important. So I feel, yeah.
and like you said, you make music on computer, right? तो अभी ये AI आने के बाद has it become easier? Has it become more difficult?
काम जाने वाला है हमारा.
Really?
AI cannot express emotionally.
It can't express emotionally, but it can probably simulate certain things that probably I can't on a computer.
Okay.
Because there are certain instruments that you can't program. You can, but it will sound very programmed. And the level of this thing has changed over time. There was a time when only लोग drums सुन के बोल पाते थे कि ये program drums है. Now it's very hard to make out. There was a time when people used to say you can't program guitars. Now people can program guitars. I have programmed guitars. So there are certain instruments still it's very difficult, but AI can pull that off. Because it has the influence and information from live musicians. We also have that, but we can't do that on a MIDI keyboard. That's the problem. We have it in our head, but we can't pull it across. So the expression for the computer is what is lacking. Technologically, it's the problem.
Expression and also the feeling.
The feeling, yeah. We have it in our mind, but the computer can't simulate that feeling. Which AI for certain instruments it can, which we can't, where we are lacking as programmers. AI can probably fill in that gap. But again, if AI can fill that gap, then it will probably do a lot of things that I can do also. Right? So जो मैं कर पा रहा हूँ वो भी अगर वो AI करके दे रहा है, to certain extent I think AI will probably do a lot of things that we are right now
लाइव
doing.
गिग्स करेंगे यार.
Like
3 लैपटॉप रखेंगे स्टेज पे. प्ले बटन.
और सब लोग
देखने के लिए आया 18
नहीं है. जापान में एक रोबोटिक बैंड भी है.
जापान में
है ना?
कौन सा?
जापान में एक रोबोटिक बैंड है ना, समथिंग.
They just
Where-
programmed it to do
जापान
certain
में
tasks.
रोबोटिक
robots playing the instrument.
वो लोग ने सबके लिए रोबोट्स ही यूज करना शुरू किया है अभी. इंसान का जरूरत नहीं है.
रोबोट्स हो रहे
वहाँ पे रोबोट्स बना रहे हो लोग. No, but this thing AI music thing, when I listened to it, was scary. मतलब वो
Very scary.
किसी का भी आवाज निकाल सकता है.
अरे
है ना?
हाँ यार. अरे देखो मान लो क्या वो ऐसा एक मीम आया था where some guy was randomly interviewing a female Indian citizen on street और बोल रहा था कि इंडिया का नेशनल बर्ड कौन है. And then that girl says नरेंद्र मोदी.
हाँ वो ना.
And then और
वो
फिर
उड़ता फिर वो.
माँ कसम क्या like it is so.
And that voice was accurate, very accurate.
एकदम accurate, एकदम ऐसा like उड़ता ही.
I just saw a video कि people just put a prompt and AI just makes a random scene of that prompt like
हाँ text to video वो तो है.
टेरिटरी के बताएं.
हाँ एकदम
वो तो आ ही गया है. But text to video is still difficult. But ये जो voice वाला है या music वाला है वो तो मतलब if you अभी तो ऐसा हो गया कि if you prompt whatever AI, whichever AI you are using, that AI will legit पूरा एक 3 मिनट का song it will give you.
it does.
अरे I have heard rap songs that are made.
भाई तू डॉक्टर है.
हाँ.
You know there is one proper चाइना में एक जगह बनाया है. ठीक है, एक रूम है. वहाँ पे माइस्क्यूल एकदम नैनोमीटर्स पे जो अपना रहता है थिन वहाँ पे जाके वो कट बीट कर रहा है. दैट प्रिसीजन आ गया है. लाइक द प्रिसीजन ह्यूमंस आर फुल ऑफ एरर्स थोड़ा.
राइट.
बट तो उस चीज को यूज करने के लिए जो माइन्यूट स्केल्स है जो हम देख भी नहीं सकते, इट कैन फाइंड द प्रिसीजंस ओवर देयर. तो मुझे लगता है कि एआई को डरने से अच्छा है उसमें उसको और
सीखो.
अच्छे से सीखो. हाँ कि लाइक बताने वाले लोग बता रहे हैं, बट लाइक you should know what you need to know in that particular
AI
format.
was actually already there, but अभी mainstream हो गया है.
Yeah, and that दैट इज ऑल्सो देयर,
We're trying to be more dependent on AI rather than our own.
क्योंकि मतलब ये है ना, मैंने ऐसे
मेल तो वही दे रहा हूँ
हाँ
मेल तो वही दिया है
क्योंकि मैंने ट्राई किया था, लाइक आई व्हेन ऑल दिस एआई बज हैपेंड, तो चलो सॉन्ग बनाते हैं ऐसे, ठीक है, तो आई गिव इट अ प्रॉम्प्ट कि अरे मेरे को बहुत सैड लग रहा है एंड आई वांट टू मेक दिस किक एस सॉन्ग एंड
ये क्या तरीका है
हाँ
सैड सॉन्ग क्या सॉन्ग बनाएगा
हाँ, मेरे को सैड लग रहा है ना, तो मैं किक एस सॉन्ग बनाएगा एकदम अच्छा लगने के लिए, तो और उसमें वो सॉन्ग में तू ऐसा डाल कि हार्ट ब्रेक हो गया है मेरा
हाँ,
एंड मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है और मेरा बॉडी भी नहीं है,
yes.
हाँ ये सब इसके बारे में तू सॉन्ग बना मेरे को एंड ये मैं क्यों कर रहा था, क्योंकि हाँ मैं सोचा मैं क्या करेगा, अभी इसने जो लिरिक्स बनाया ना मैं ये ढापेगा और खुद का सॉन्ग बनाएगा, आई ट्राइड दैट बट वो जो भी आउटपुट आया, जो भी लिरिक्स आया, उससे वो फील नहीं हो रहा था,
Exactly.
वो ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि अरे सच में हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ है।
I do have a realistic example. एक one of my friend who is from Pune, she wrote a song on AI and she's a rapper. तो and she sent the song. उसने बोला नहीं कि AI generated, but उसका voice है. I could understand. It was her voice. तो and it was a rap and me like coming from an old school hip hop background. मतलब I have listened to a lot of West Coast, East Coast rap, hip hop, Das Effects. मतलब I've heard a lot of hip hop and all that. फिर बाद में मैं इसका चल let's give it a listen rap करके उसने बनाया करके वो बोली, मैं बोला हाँ ओके, तो ना स्टार्टिंग से लगा रही है क्या भंकस चीज़ है यार, there is no feeling, there is no connect. मैं बोला यार it is very bad. I did not say it to her. मैं बोला like it's okay but there is still a lot of improvements needed करके. But I did not tell her bluntly कि ये एकदम बकवास shit है, like I don't even मेरे को I couldn't connect anywhere. कुछ भी बकवास गा रही है ये, this is मैं ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं, but दिमाग में मेरा एकदम सनक गया था कि ये चीज़ एकदम संडास है. I don't want to listen to this shit. And it was AI generated lyrics which she put in her voice. And that voice modulate किया AI नहीं, but I couldn't make out कि like she was not singing it.
हाँ ओके,
But whatever.
बट somehow वो फील हो ही नहीं रहा था।
हाँ, but I could understand कि अरे ये तो तेरा ही voice है, शिल्पा तेरा ही voice है ये.
हाँ
But the song was very bad. And there was no feelings, there was no connect, there was nothing, there was real though. पर मैं फिर बाद में उसने मैं बोला कि मैं उसको जेन्युइन फीडबैक दिया, लाइक जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इन गुड विल, इन गुड फेथ, कर्टसी सब मिला के बोला कि दिस सॉन्ग इज ओके बट you know you could improve more on the words, that how you're delivering and all that stuff, like it could be better. I mean like the instrumentation is fine. मैं ऐसी जनरल फीडबैक देता हूँ कि like ऐसा है and you could need some more improvements and stuff. तो फिर बाद में बोले रही ये तो AI जनरेटेड है.
अच्छा,
बोला अच्छा नसी एकदम, फिर तभी आया अनलिस्ट, ये सब तेरी मत कर, डोंट डू दिस.
अरे यार.
वो एक तेरे को ना अकाई का वो पैड लेके देता मांगता, तो यू मेक योर ओन म्यूजिक ऑन दैट एंड यूज दैट शिट, घर पे बनाओ तुम खुद का.
And
I think it's only a matter of time when AI will start killing it.
Actually I think
Really?
so.
So this is the abhi, because AI doesn't have that enough. It does have a lot of information, but now this
processing power, whatever.
Yeah, this feedback, because what we are seeing that we are not liking about AI is also going back to AI. So it will process and it will find that where is this gap, and it's only a matter of time it will connect that gaps and it will eventually give the song that we are actually wanting to listen. अगर एक इतना फटाफट अगर it can give you 10 versions of lyrics or 10 versions of the same songs, how difficult is it for AI to write a perfectly written song? Especially not for all genres, but especially for the ones which are like very very formula based songs. Verse, chorus, ये वो bridge वो जो है, it can always do that. It's very how difficult. You put a refresh, it'll give you another option, give you 100 options. Listen to all of that, you can like draw at least like 20 good ideas from that. Right? So it's only a matter of time. Now we can criticize that, but like at some point we will be a part of this whole AI thing. It will be around us and we will have to somehow figure a way to embrace it and be a part of that, rather than running away from it. We have to because see again when it comes to this programming thing that we were talking about earlier, there was a time when people used to play everything live. And then this digital thing came and people started thinking why are they doing things on computer? फिर live musician क्या करेगा, ये खराब है, कंप्यूटर से कुछ हो नहीं पाएगा ना, everything is on computer. Like somehow एक हाथ आदमी आके live बजाता है, जहाँ पे जिसका उतना बजट है वो आके लाइव म्यूजिशियन बुलाता है, नहीं तो एवरीथिंग इज ऑन कंप्यूटर। सिमिलरली, और अभी पूरा इंडस्ट्री बन गया ना उसके आगे पीछे, वैसे ये भी आएगा, इसके भी आगे पीछे कुछ तो होगा, या समथिंग विल कम, वी डोंट नो दैट। द प्रॉब्लम, पीपल आर स्कैर्ड बिकॉज़ देयर इज अनसर्टेनिटी, पीपल डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन। व्हेन देयर इज अनसर्टेनिटी, पीपल आर ऑलवेज लाइक अभी क्या होगा, देयर इज एम्बिग्युइटी, उसकी वजह से वो डर है। जब पता होगा ये होगा, इसके साथ कुछ ना कुछ तो हो जाएगा, देयर आर डिफरेंट करियर पाथ्स दैट विल ओपन अप।
परफेक्ट प्रॉम्प्टर्स भी है ब्रो, प्रॉम्प्ट्स।
या देयर आर पीपल हु आर ओनली, या एग्जैक्टली, सिर्फ प्रॉम्प्ट आते हैं,
देयर इज
अपन बता दो
जॉब प्रोफाइल है,
करेक्ट,
प्रॉम्प्टर।
या बिकॉज आई रिमेम्बर कि पहले इन द गुड ओल्ड डेज, जब भी ये सब डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन नहीं था, वी डिड नॉट हैव द डिजिटल कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ लेट्स से रिकॉर्डिंग म्यूजिशियंस सेपरेटली। से फॉर एग्जांपल एक सॉन्ग बनाना है तो उसमें गिटार होगा, व्हाटएवर, तबला होगा, ड्रम्स होगा, तो उसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सेपरेटली रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, फिर सॉफ्टवेयर में जाके उसको मर्ज करेंगे। तो पहले तो नहीं था, तो पहले आई रिमेम्बर सीइंग इट समवेयर इन सम डॉक्यूमेंट्री की पीपल यूज्ड टू रिहर्स, प्रैक्टिस फॉर मंथ्स, फिर बैठ के आके एक साथ बैठेगा
एक बार ही बनता था
और वो सॉन्ग रिकॉर्ड करेगा।
एक म्यूजिशियन ने मिस्टेक किया, डू एवरीथिंग अगेन,
Everything again.
everyone has to do it again.
So then when we now have the digital firepower, ऐसा नहीं है कि फिर अभी गिटार बजाने का जरूरत ही नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है। You still need those musicians to come in and record. ठीक है, separately होगा, बाद में जाके होगा, सॉफ्टवेयर से होगा, but still jobs weren't taken away.
Correct.
तो yeah, I agree with that कि ठीक है,
And
AI
new jobs were also created now.
And new jobs were created.
Right now, this didn't exist back then. Now there's a profile article. The music programmer is a thing today. No one knew this term never existed before. Similarly, something
sound engineering.
Yeah, sound engineering. Yeah, similarly, exactly. A lot of things. तभी म्यूजिक कंडक्टर्स हुआ करते थे. Now there's no
बहुत है,
conductor
और
required.
हमें like the lack of information जो हमें है, वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है, like वहाँ पे abundance of information है. So like you always finding something new. You're always finding something and then you go on search mode and like prompt mode. तुझे पता चलता है, like it's now more about abundance. Like you have to choose what kind of things you want to know and how. और specialist कौन रहता है, like specialist वही रहता है जिसको एक छोटी सी चीज के बारे में बहुत सारी चीजें मालूम है, क्योंकि that thing has a whole world in it. तो वही चीज है.
So as compared to earlier, जब भी गोल्डन एरा था रॉक म्यूजिक का एंड मेटल म्यूजिक का, लेट्स जस्ट से हेवी म्यूजिक, ठीक है, एज कंपेयर टू द नॉर्मल म्यूजिक, तो हाउ हैज दैट इवॉल्व्ड एंड हैज इट इवॉल्व्ड इनफ टू कैप्चर द इमेजिनेशंस ऑफ अभी के पीपल? ऐसा है, या व्हाट डू यू थिंक वेंट राइट और रॉन्ग इन दैट होल प्रोसेस कि अभी का रॉक म्यूजिक वर्सेस पहले का रॉक म्यूजिक? इफ एनीबडी लिसन्स टू रॉक म्यूजिक, आई थिंक everybody will know the greats, Metallica, you know, whatever, Linkin Park, Megadeth, वो सबको पता रहेंगे, but this I am still assuming about today's generation, like whoever must be 25 and above, maybe 30 and above. उसके नीचे लोग क्या सुन रहे हैं, frankly I have no clue, but it appears to me कि वो इतना ये नहीं है, उसका buzz नहीं है. तो do you think this kind of music has failed to evolve?
I wouldn't say rock. Yeah. I wouldn't say rock music or any music for that matter failed to evolve. The evolution itself is happening within the music right from the beginning. From the, I would say, from the Stone Age era till, ever since mankind existed, the music was there because it was a form of entertainment. So music from the beginning till today served different purposes in different times.
Population, I would say.
Yeah, so it all depends on what kind of mindset people used to have. The other day I was looking at some video online that said, I think in 70s or 60s, I think in France or some other country, people if a flautist happened to play a wrong note, he was imprisoned. Not just imprisoned, there was this thing.
Torture.
He was
Impaled.
torture. Yeah, there was some metal thing that they used to buy, put on his neck and on his fingers, and he was made walk across the town just because he played one wrong note. It was that strict. You as a musician, you can't play wrong note. You have to be that pitch perfect. You have to be that perfect with your craft. So now if you ask someone like that, what is music to you, and if you ask someone like me what music to me is, like way different. But the music itself It's the same thing.
Hmm.
There are the same frequencies that we're hearing from them back then to till now, right? It's the same sound, it's the same 12 notes that we're listening to, the same sound, same
दिल्ली
groove.
टूटा था भाई उनका.
हाँ, सारा चीज सेम ही है. The only thing that is evolved is the mindset that is what is changing when the music is being played or being performed. So rock music itself again is a part of this whole journey, is the whole evolution,
Very small part of music.
very tiny
right?
part of this whole evolution. The only reason why rock or this heavy metal music came in picture, because back then it was a form of revolt. It was a form of expression against whatever they felt back then was wrong with the government or with the society or with whatever. That's why people used to do things that they were not doing conventionally. Why are people growling? People used to sing. Why there was this whole culture of people screaming it out? Because they want to put their words out. Why are people having long hair? Because they want to do something that the regular people are not doing. We are different from society. We want to say something that the society is not being told. That was a form of this thing. I will. What is that word? I'm not getting it.
Rebel.
Rebel. Yeah, there was a form of they used to rebel in that way. So that's how this whole rock thing came into picture. That's how this culture came into picture. Now gradually that thing is not serving the purpose anymore. Now it's a form of art. It's no longer. It's not a form of rebel or anything, right? People are just performing as a form of art, like any other genres. But the angst or the problem that people have that they want to express is no longer music is a very tiny part of that expression. Now we have plenty of other ways. We have media, we have TV, we
Social
have
media पे गाली दो, हाँ.
everything. Yeah, we have there's plenty other ways. So music is a very tiny part. So music will still evolve, and they will probably go
There will be
somewhere
different
else.
genres we will.
Yeah, different genres will come up
will
because
gonna come.
the purpose of music will change. So now with what the purpose and what the society demands at that point in time, music will be that, and we have to understand it. We have to, because at some
But
point when
angst
rock
रहेगा
came
bro.
in picture,
Angst will be always there. Without angst, you won't be going anywhere. तुझे कुछ गलत लग रहा नहीं है, that is more
That will also
problematic.
evolve.
That is more
that's
problematic.
also, yeah, angst itself is also
अभी
evolving.
आरे का हुआ तो तभी आरे में तो कौन सा वार्ली रिवोल्ट.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
तो वार्ली रिवोल्ट मालूम है तुझे, एक गाना है. तो फिर जब ये आरे का जंगल कट हो रहा था तो लाइक दिस गाय भोईर, हाँ, सो लाइक हिज नेम इज प्रकाश भोईर. तो साधा मानुस है भाई, तो कोळी मानुस है, तो कोहली इंसान है, वो मच्छी विच्छी पकड़ता है उसका, पर लाइक ही इज एन एक्टिविस्ट. सो लाइक ही सॉ दैट कि मेरे जमीन पे ऐसा हो रहा है, यू आर किलिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. मैं मेरे काम में जाता और मैं मेरा बिपटिया, मेरी माँ, उसकी माँ, ये सब लोग पहले से यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं अच्छे से. अभी ये गवर्नमेंट आया और ये लोग ने चालू किया कि भाई यहाँ पे मेट्रो डालना है, काटना है सब. कैसे काटना है भाई, हम लोग तो यहाँ पे पहले से रह रहे हैं. तो वो लोग बोलते कि देशभक्त लोक तुम्ही ना त्याग आम्हाला काय मागता. लाइक व्हाई यू वांट टू, मुझसे सैक्रिफाइस क्यों मांग रहे हैं? तुम लोग तो देशभक्त, तुम लोग देशभक्त है, तो तुम लोग मेरे से त्याग मांग रहे हो, तुम लोग मेरे से क्यों सैक्रिफाइस मांग रहे हो? मैं तो देशभक्ति पहले से कर रहा हूँ. आई बीन हियर. देशभक्ति भी नहीं, मैं तो जमीन भक्ति कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो ये श्वास भक्ति कर रहा हूँ. मैं मतलब सब चीज को भगवान मान रहा हूँ. ना ही कि तुम्हारा ही भगवान, तुम्हारा भगवान तो तुम्हारा है, पर मैं तो उस चीज को भगवान मान रहा है जो दिखता भी नहीं, जो तुम्हारे सांस फेफड़ों को भरता है, एयर को, वृक्ष को, सबको, और तुम लोग उन चीजों को ही निकाल रहे हैं. तो लाइक इट्स मोर ऑफ music will stay and the angst will be there. There will be a rebel. There will be people gonna come and gonna tell you that you guys are desensitized and you got to know what is right, what is wrong. Because some power people gonna make sure that कि किसी का फायदा उठाना चालू करेंगे. And फिर किसी को तो पता चले कि मेरा फायदा उठा रहे, तो वो उसको गुस्सा आएगा ब्रो. And that गुस्सा ही म्यूजिक को जन्म देगा. जितना ज्यादा गुस्सा, उतना तेज म्यूजिक, उतना ज्यादा तेज ललकार रहेगी उसकी.
Angst का
क्या बात है.
the release of angst also is not like अभी का generation में it might not be rock music
हाँ.
only.
Rap.
It
Actually,
can
I
be
feel
rap. Not even rap.
Rap.
It can be electronic music also. There are lyrics in some electronic music which can be related to your angst and whatever.
Actually, I feel different though. I मतलब feel a little unsettling about it. क्योंकि ना ऑब्वियसली वो पर्सनल प्रेफरेंस है, आई एग्री, बट आई काइंड ऑफ ऑलवेज फेल्ट कि ये जो हैवी म्यूजिक है ना, मेटल बोलो, रॉक म्यूजिक बोलो, इट काइंड ऑफ वेरी नाइसली describes the whole rebel situation, the whole angst, whatever is going wrong. वो बहुत अच्छे से वो कैप्चर करता था, डिस्क्राइब करता था, लोगों तक पहुंचाता था, एंड somehow वो नहीं है पहले जैसा, तो मेरे को थोड़ा ऐसा ये लगता है कि अरे होना चाहिए.
फटाफट.
The reason why it's doing it so nicely is because this whole music is very physical in nature.
हाँ.
Right? People, when you visit,
Analog.
yeah, it's very, no, physical in the sense, metal gigs में क्या mosh pit होता है. People, it's very physical. That's how people enjoy.
अच्छा, first
the
of all,
gigs.
tell us what is a mosh pit.
अच्छा, mosh pit is basically when the heavy metal bands perform, people basically push each other.
हाँ, वो ऐसा समझो कि कैसा है, मॉश पिट मतलब जब तू डोंबिवली से नहीं तो दादर से गाड़ी पकड़ रहा है पी कार पे, वो है सिंपल भाषा में क्या बताऊं.
वो
सर,
लोग,
venue में.
हाँ, वो म्यूजिक के साथ हम लोग करते हैं, वो पैसे देके करते हैं.
Yeah, correct.
दारू गिरी ये रहा है. So,
हाँ.
So people, for someone who doesn't know what this is, who's looking at it, someone should like online Google search करो mosh pit और देख लो एक बार तो मालूम पड़ेगा.
People push each other for fun.
Yeah, for fun,
फिर तू
and they're
बोलेगा कि
enjoying.
इसको सर देख के क्या करते हैं.
and they don't even feel angry about the other person.
Correct.
They want the other person to push you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, and then they'll lift you up.
We are as if we're trying to harm others, but that's how you're enjoying the gig.
हाँ.
So yeah, and besides even the mosh pit one part, again people also while performing also people bang their heads. Why are they doing that? Because
Head
it's very-
banging.
yeah,
dance form.
it's a dance form. It's the way it's supposed
Right,
to be
right. That's
performed.
right. हाँ.
Right. So it's very physical in nature. The whole way of singing, the growling, screaming, everything. It's very physical in nature.
Expression है.
It's form of
तरीका है.
expression, right? So now the reason why we probably feel disconnected because now that sort of expression is no longer required. For you to put your point across, you don't have to scream on the streets. Back then that used to do the job. Now that doesn't require.
एक
It's
story
not
डालो.
required. एक स्टोरी डालो, एक अच्छा सा पोस्ट लिख के डाल दो, बस घर पे बैठ के एसी में काम हो गया. पहले ऐसे नहीं होता था. पहले तो that's उसके वजह से ही ये फॉर्म आया ना, like I said earlier. तो इसके लिए that's, and because we are still a part of that, we feel disconnected when we look at this kind of music. कि अरे इसमें वो एनर्जी कहाँ है, इसमें वो थ्रो कहाँ है. That is what. So rather we should not look for that thing in this kind of music. We should rather look for those things that this kind of music is offering. Rather, let's not look at for angst, for in this ये इसमें ये क्या दे रहा है वो
Find the
देखते हैं.
message,
Yeah.
not a scream.
We always have our metal thing there, ना, मतलब जब चाहिए वो तो अपन कर ही सकते हैं, वो तो है. तो because that's the only way we're moving forward, ना, what we can do. हम तो ठीक है, हम करेंगे, हमारा बैंड सारा चीज अपन करेंगे, लेकिन eventually if suppose this scene were to die out someday, eventually if at all, hypothetically, अपने कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. then उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. we'll have to see what's around and what is it offering to us. वो देखो और उसको फिर we have to figure out a way to enjoy that.
And we are trying our best.
And if not, then you keep the scene alive.
हाँ.
You keep the scene alive, right?
पूरा independent scene is a DIY scene.
Correct. Yeah.
Amazing, yaar. And so, talking about ET, what is next for ET?
Next.
क्या चल रहा है अभी?
अभी recordings चल
Music.
रहा है. We are making more new music.
New songs. Composing
Making more
new music.
Composing and trying to find more gigs. जो बीच में बहुत बड़ा गैप हुआ था, but then now we are actively doing all that again. अभी एक recently single release किया and उसका music
Check
video
it
भी music video भी आ रहा है Territory का. And then हाँ अभी तो फिर से बैठेंगे, we'll plan out next क्या रहेगा. 2-3 new songs है already.
So we are mostly now working on new songs, new lyrics, new way to like. हम लोग भी like the way we were talking about evolve. Even we
हम लोग भी
in
evolve हो
our
रहे
ET
हो.
only we are not like composing same we used to do it 10 years back. Huh? We have now our own set of rules to find it more precise way to understand what's happening inside me. Now I can put it more clearly in lyrical wise. He is also writes lyrics. ये भी lyrics लिखता है. but now he finds better chords, better what I would say, yeah, better chords and like everything there. ये
डिफरेंट
अलग
कॉम्पोजिशन
से क्रैश मारता है like
अलग से क्रैश मारता है।
तो यार मतलब तरीके चेंज हो रहे, बट लाइक जो आउटपुट आता था ना, आउटपुट लाइक वी आर फाइंडिंग दैट नाउ इट इज लाइक वी आर फाइंडिंग समथिंग डिफरेंट व्हेन वी सिट,
हाँ
we understand कि like now हाँ कुछ तो changes आए हैं like so, and we literally experiment with it. That's what we are doing. We are experimenting. We are doing everything which is possible in our scope of work. How we can deal with it. How to make it more of ET. And we are doing that only. Nothing else. No more than that.
ऐसा क्रैश फेंक के मारेगा।
माते.
Right, amazing guys. It has been amazing talking to you guys. Amazing to know about what actual music is. मैं तो ऐसे ही बोलूँगा कि मेरे को ना उसके बारे में जान के बहुत अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि जो हम लोग इंडियन आइडल सारेगामापा देखते हैं,
अभी
हाँ, तो वो that is like that's nice, that's good, but वो कहीं ना कहीं उसमें वो फील नहीं है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. अगेन
That is
जस्ट
just a playback singer hiring process, bro.
हाँ, या that's just the hiring process.
दंगे करवाओगे आप.
So, but anyway, it's always amazing to know, different variations of what is already out there. Amazing things, interesting things. When people do something just for themselves, for the passion, for the essence of it. बोलते हैं ना कि हाँ म्यूजिक बनाने का है उसके लिए करते हैं. That is always something special. So I really thank you guys for coming here.
Having us.
Amazing, yeah, amazing.
We enjoyed this conversation. We
Yeah.
enjoyed your questions. You actually asked some really good questions जिसके से हम लोग को भी सोचना, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करना पड़ा कि
हाँ.
वो कहाँ क्या ये कैसे हुआ.
तू इतना
Yeah, so yeah, it was fun. Yes.
It was amazing.
Nice.
Yes.
Lot of things to learn. Thank you guys.
Thank you.